one crown. I want to ask what. I'd want to ask what's the crown because only God knows.
Yeah.
I think that you're very much into the possibility.
Actually, a lot of girls, all of the girls are talking about that.
Yes.
Like, of course, we are here in Binibini because we want the Miss Universe crown. But in case God won't give me the Universe crown, I'd go for international. So I would say universe or international.
Okay. So how would you represent, or how can you represent the Philippines at your best form?
What do you mean?
How are you going to represent the Philippines? How? Given a chance to compete internationally, how would you represent the Philippines?
By starting in Binibining Pilipinas, this competition is readying me for international pageant already. I've heard a lot of winners, past winners, that Binibining Pilipinas is harder than the international competition. So when we go to international competition, it's just easy peasy because you've been trained a lot here in the Philippines.
You're in the fighting form.
Yes, you're in a fighting form already. But it's always good to improve. Every day you should improve.
Okay. So any last message for your fans who are supporting you all the in every part of the Philippines?
Yeah.
And you want to say something about the for the
Yes, I really want to say thank you, and from the deepest, my deepest hypothalamus, not my heart anymore.
Yeah, I think you're nursing.
Yeah, I am a nurse.
That's why
I've been taught that you don't have to say in my deepest heart. You should say in my deepest hypothalamus. I love you all, and I'm very thankful that you're all there to support me. I hope you continue supporting me throughout the journey, or even after Binibini Pilipinas. Win or lose, this is all for you, and I'm really doing my best to make you all proud. Thank you so much. I love you.
May isa pa yan!
Wala isa pa yan. Salamat kaayo. I'm ecstatic, right? I'm so ecstatic after my dance number kanina. Parang naubusan ako ng hangin. Woo!
So, okay, first question. What made you decide to join Binibining Pilipinas?
It's actually, it may sound cliche, but it's actually my childhood dream. Nauna lang talaga yung mutya ng Pilipinas, but it's really my dream to become Miss Universe. Tapos, parang na-delay lang ata because nauna yung mutya, then parang I felt I was not ready. I need to hone my experience, my knowledge. That's why I took a lot of trainings. Then I took up law. Maybe because I took up law, I'm more confident now talking to other people. Parang I'm not afraid, parang not timid already, parang mature enough to take on Binibining Pilipinas. Not like ng mutya kasi pa sweet lang eh.
So, you're studying law right now, or?
I'm in second year law student of San Carlos.
USC.
Yes.
Wait lang. Next question is, what do you think is your biggest advantage in this pageant?
My biggest advantage would be, I'm not belittling other candidates, but I think I am a well-rounded girl. As you can see, I know that I'm talented. I believe I'm smart. And we're all beautiful. We have unique beauties, and I have my unique beauty as well. And I don't back down to any kind of challenge, even if like people are like bringing you down. I'm still up for any challenge. Laban kung laban.
Looking back at the Piana Pilipinas experience, ano yung nagbago kay Eva nung mutya and kay Eva ngayon sa Pilipinas?
A lot actually. I'm more mature because way back mutya I was still 20 ba or 20. I'm more mature now. Yung parang I would say mas gumanda ko lalo. And they won't, and parang mas naging knowledgeable ako dahil nag-law ako. Yung experience ko outside, mas nag-widen. Parang more mature, holistically, physically, spiritually, emotionally, mas naging better ako.
Eva, I'm just curious if what are you going to wear on the pageant night, your gown? Do you have gown already?
Yes, my designer for national costume and gown is Philip Tampus from Cebu.
Any description of the gown, or are you allowed to say it?
It's a surprise. Basta, maganda. You know, Philip Tampus naman eh. He is first runner-up of Project Runway. So he's
Yes.
very good. Basta, more on becoming a butterfly na lang. Yun na lang yung peg. A butterfly.
Oh.
He sees me as a butterfly.
What if, kung sakasakal, if ever you don't win, what
Yeah.
will you do? Will you still join Bilibini?
Or, I've considered Binibining Pilipinas now or never.
Oh.
If I win or lose, if I win, of course, I'll take on the responsibility. But if I lose, I'll go back to law because there's more to life than just joining pageants. Eh.
But do you have any plans to join showbiz industry?
Sinasabi ko talaga sa mga friends ko na ayoko talagang mag-showbiz because I want private life. But since I'm in the pageant industry naman, hindi naman talaga private yung life ko. Kaya sabi ko, if ako mismo talagang pupunta doon, mag-audition, I won't. Kasi I have law school. But if showbiz will serve that to me in a silver platter, then of course I'll take it. A lot of people are wanting to join showbiz and kung isa-serve lang yan sa akin ng ganun-ganun, I would take it, di ba? I would take it with an open hand.
So, okay. If you will choose dun sa out of
Crown.
dun sa 40 Binibinis, who is your top 10?
Top
Four.
Ano ba to?
Kasama ka doon sa
So,
Subali
top
9
9 na lang.
Ah.
I would say Catriona, Michelle Gumabaw, yes. Vicky, sino ba? Tatlo. Vicky.
Maybe that's your only piece.
No, meron pa. Si Moriel, si Sam,
Di man na.
si Atisa. Sinabi ko na ba si Sam? Si Aya. Si Aya. Sino pa? Si Shane. Si Enna, because I've known her because she's my friend and I know she's very competitive as well, even if she's not a front runner. Last one. Ang dami eh. Mabigat yung batch ngayon eh. Nakakalimutan ko na nga mga pangalan eh. Actually. Sino ba? Karen.
Galman.
Galman, yes. Top 10.
Eva, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
What is your beauty secret?
My beauty secret, actually, parang naglalabasan na yung pimples kasi parang everyday we wear full makeup, less sleep, tapos diet pa, di ba? So parang your skin will always be dry. So parang secret would be get as much sleep as you can. If you have time, sleep. Then hydrate, water, vegetables. Tapos if you wear makeup, always clean that every night. As in like super clean. No traces of makeup.
How do you handle criticisms and bashing?
Actually, I read bashing and criticisms online. People or my friends or the other candidates say, huwag ka nang magbasa. Sabi ko, gusto kong basahin eh. Because it motivates me rather than it saddens me. It motivates me. Sometimes nga, tumatawa na lang ako sa mga bashing eh. Because I know myself. If you know yourself well, you know your strengths and weaknesses, you don't get bothered sa mga bashing eh. Kasi tinatawanan mo lang, yeah, sakto yung sinabi niya, pangit nga, oh, yes, mali yung sinabi niya kasi alam mo matalino ako, ganon. You just laugh out.
But what's the most hurtful word that they say to you?
Hurtful. Actually, kaya nga tumatawa ako. Kasi yung mga nababasa ko lang na bashing is, wala daw akong energy. Wala na akong energy. Malamya daw si girl. Mag-talent nga ako ng sayaw. Wala akong energy. That's why I read bashings because it motivates me talaga. I want to prove other people who's trying to bring me down wrong. That's why. Tapos, wala naman akong nakikitang pangit ako kasi alam mo na maganda ako, gano'n. Tapos meron din ako, sinasabi nilang hindi daw ako naglo-law school. Sabi ko, I laugh about it because I know that I'm a law student and I'm very knowledgeable about the law. I'm very interested about it and like I don't care kung ano sinasabi nila. Because sometimes other people just comment just for the sake to have comments there. So that's why other people or other candidates should know how to read bashing na lang. Kasi iba naman talaga eh. Sometimes yung ibang candidates ayaw na lang nila tingnan kasi they don't wanna be sad na lang. Some tend to forget about it na lang. Pero some read talaga. I have a friend, pinapatulan talaga niya. Kasi huwag mo nang patulan her.
Are you single or?
Yes, I am single. Sinasabi ko nga eh, Coronang magiging boyfriend ko. But it doesn't mean to say that I don't have admirers. Focus muna ako sa binibini ngayon.
Correct.
Hello, Eva. My name is Vic from Greatest Beauty Passion of the World.